Many large organisations have grown digital estates tactically, not strategically, and over time, continually adding new websites, new services, new functionality and new territories. But this presents multiple challenges. Content maintenance is more complex. It's harder to achieve consistency in brand and content. Data management is more difficult. Technical debt is higher, and it also has an impact on SEO. The appeal of website consolidation onto a single platform is clear. For example, our approach to consolidate Sport England's website saw a 600% increase in traffic. We found the key to success on large consolidations, whether it be the Sport of England or the College of Policing, is to have a user-centric content strategy approach. First, we undertake accessibility-informed, diverse stakeholder research to define personas across the websites being consolidated. And then we create user stories, retaining the things that users want to achieve at each stage of the user journey. This underpins our content strategy for the consolidation of the websites. Our content audits assess each page against key metrics, including SEO, and maps pages against user stories, identifying unnecessary or duplicated content and gaps where users' needs aren't addressed.
For implementation, we are tech agnostic, but often use Drupal due to its flexibility and content governance capabilities. We integrate technologies like our Agoli search solution for the College of Policing website, enabling it to pull in dozens of pages from multiple external sources and building functionality for future potential integrations. Our lean and agile methodology, powered by cross-functional team, is ideally suited for consolidation projects, and by building in accessibility testing throughout, we see results like Google Lighthouse scores of 100% for performance, accessibility and SEO at launch of the College of Policing website, all made friction-free with a robust and detailed migration strategy.